I state your name as state your position of the Philippine Student Government of Colegio de San Jose of Carmona, Cavite. Do solemnly swear to uphold the values of honesty, respect, and responsibility. I pledge to serve my fellow students with fairness and dedication, to listen to their voices and represent their interests faithfully. I promise to work for the betterment of our school community, to lead by example in both words and actions, and to strive always for unity, growth, and excellence. This I vow with integrity and commitment for the honor of my school and the trust of my peers, so help me God. Again, congratulations for all the new